there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll guide you how you can easily download applications on your Samsung TV. So first what we need to do is go and click source, and you will get right here, and you want to simply go down, and you're gonna have the apps here, but you don't want to go up top. You want to scroll down and go to application, so it's going to be popped out here, and press enter. Here you're gonna have applications here, and you're gonna have editor's choice, and you're gonna have all the apps right here, and what's the new apps, and I have some kind of world wonder here, right? And you get genders here, apps to kill time, for example, and I can click on it, and you can really search for many applications, and you can have like 248 Maniac, right? Click on it, and then you're gonna have install. Okay, install, and you need to sign into your account, and that's how you pretty much do it, right? So if you don't have an account, you have to create an account, and then you can easily download this. So this is pretty much it, how we do it. And if you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. But here, when you're gonna install application, you're gonna find it right here. So have a great day and goodbye, guys. See ya.